How to use AARP Now app application for the member discount here on your PC or on your mobile device. For this is the official website, but you have to follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video. So to download and install the AARP Now application on your PC, you can simply scan the QR code I'm showing you right now on the screen. And after downloading it on the iPhone, you have to simply go on the search button, search for AARP Now to locate the application and click on Get. Enter your credentials and then the app will be downloaded. Go to the home screen of AARP Now application, open the app and click on Get Started from there. Now use your AARP organization account to email and password to log in into the app. For Android, you can do the same steps but on the Google Play Store. So this is how you can easily get this application, download it and get started with it. This is how exactly you can use this app. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to it for watching more updates like